How to add a 3D title in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page from the bottom menu. This is where you will be doing most of the work with timelines and effects. Next, go to the effects library found on the top left panel. Under titles, scroll down and find the Fusion Titles section. You will see several 3D title templates here. Drag and drop the one you like onto your timeline, above your video clip, or wherever you want it to appear. After placing the title, click on it in the timeline, then go to the inspector panel in the top right corner. This is where you can edit the text, change the font, adjust size, color, position, and even tweak the animation settings. Take your time here to match the title to your video's style. If you want more control or to create a fully custom 3D title, you can switch to the Fusion tab. Here you will find the node editor where you can add 3D text, merge, and renderer nodes to build your own design. You can edit them to fully customize how your 3D title looks and behaves, like rotating the text, adding light, or changing the camera angle. Finally, once you are happy with the look and animation of your 3D title, return to the Edit tab and play it back to preview. And that's it. Now you know how to add a 3D title in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.